everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have got a really big Free People haul for you guys. We are going to be doing a Free People try on haul today. I'm super excited. I haven't done a clothing haul in quite some time, so I thought today would be as good as any. So we're going to be doing that. And apparently now I'm British. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of really fun reels and videos and posts and stuff over there. So if you do follow me, thank you. I really appreciate it. But let's jump into the clothes. So I wanted to pick up a few things for spring/summertime. So I perused Free People and I found a couple of things. First thing, actually, two of these my boyfriend actually bought for me because he gave me a very nice Valentine's Day gift, and he let me pick out a couple of things from Free People and he bought them for me, and then the other things I did by myself. And all of this stuff is by Free People, by the way. The first thing is this cute little mini dress. It's supposed to be kind of like you can wear with a sports bra, you can wear it as a bathing suit cover up, but it is about like thigh length or so. It's really cute and it has pockets. Like, oh my gosh, I love this. It's super duper cute. I'll probably wear this with like shorts and like a bralette underneath or something like that. Maybe if I go to the pool or the beach, hopefully sometime this summer, then I'll wear it as a bathing suit cover up. But it is super cute and I loved this cute mint green color, so I'm really into that. I am going to be doing a try on of all of these. So for the first item, we'll go ahead and try this baby on. Alright, so I hope you can hear me. Here is that first item. It is super duper cute. Like I said, it is a bit longer and it's just a cute little flowy mini dress, and I think it's really adorable. I actually paired it with some shorts. I haven't worn shorts in a very long time because of winter, but we're getting closer and closer to shorts season. But it's super cute and I like it a lot. Like, I'm really into this one. I think it fits really nicely. I think it looks good, so this is a win for me. And also in that little dress, I got a small/extra small. I believe it only comes in like extra small/small and then medium/large. Yeah, I'm just double checking. It just says small on there. So maybe it has from like small to extra large. I'm not 100% sure, but I did get a size small. Oh my god. So this is the next thing that my boyfriend got for me and I'm so excited. It is the cutest little wine colored cropped sweater. You guys know I loved cropped sweaters, so I had to get this. Like, it was a necessity. I don't have enough cropped sweaters. Anyways, but this is super duper cute and I'm obsessed with it. I did get this in a small. I got this in a small as well, and it's so cute, and they have multiple different colors as well. So if you don't like the wine color, I know that this is more of like a fall/winter color, but I just really like it, so I'm probably still going to wear it in spring/summertime. But I just thought it was really cute. I liked it a lot. Very nice, and I think it would look so cute paired with so many different things. You can put it with some shorts, you can put it with jeans, you can put it with leggings. You can really wear it with anything because it's so darn cute. But we're gonna go ahead and try this on really quick as well. And here is the next item, you guys. This even looks cute with the shorts as well. This is that burgundy like sweater crop top. Now, I am wearing a white bra under it right now, so you can definitely see it. So if I wear this out, I may either not wear a bra or I may wear a black bra. I haven't decided yet, but it is so cute and I freaking love it. It looks adorable. Look at I'm like so into it. I'm so into it. It looks so freaking cute, and you can wear it with black pants, you can wear it with these white shorts, you can wear it with jeans, and it would just be so nice. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm really into it and I think it looks great. So this one is definitely another win. Next up, we have this. Now the rest of this I did buy with my own money, but thank you to my boyfriend so much for buying me those two items. I really appreciate it. It's very nice of you. But next I got this comfy pullover. It is super long, if you can see that. And then the back is a little bit lower or a little bit longer than the front, but it is again in the wine color because I'm obsessed. And I got this one in a extra small slash small. So this one did have like extra small, and then medium to large. So I got this and it feels really nice. It's like super thick waffle knit and it's very comfortable. Well, I assume it's very comfortable. I haven't tried any of this stuff on yet, but it feels very nice. It feels very soft, and I would assume this like tucked into like some leggings or even sweatpants or jeans would look so freaking cute. So there's that, and we'll go ahead and try this on. All right, you guys, here is that third item. It is the slouchy wine colored, like just comfy shirt, and this looks really cute as well. I don't know what to think about it. It's very long, so if you don't tuck it in or anything, it's just super duper long, but you can like tuck this underneath of your bra and that would look really cute. But I don't know how I feel about this. You know, it's very pointed. Maybe if I pull it out a little bit. Yeah, that's a little bit better, but it's really cute. It is so soft. So soft. It is really nice. However, I don't know, it's very long, and I feel like I have like, you know how you see in like cartoons where they're playing a piano and they have to like flip their tail out to sit down on the piano bench. I feel like that. I have to be like there's a lot going on back here. So I don't know if this is my favorite. I do like it. It is very comfortable. It's very warm as well, but it's not my favorite thing just because it is so long and it doesn't really give me any shape. It's very boxy, but I do think that when it's tucked in, it looks super cute. Next up, I got this thing is actually pretty heavy and it's really big. So I wanted to try to find, where's the front? Okay, I wanted to try to find a cool looking jumpsuit. However, I don't know how this is gonna look. It looked really cool on the model. I picture Free People as like a whole brand, as like very air. You know what I mean? Like air sign. Like air and maybe even water signs. I feel like that is Free People. So every time I wear Free People, I feel like, man, I am air as hell right now. Like I am air. Because I'm a Gemini, I am an air sign. So, anyways, that didn't make any sense, but I got this. This is a really super long jumpsuit, but it's super cool because it has these two little claspies, and then it is very long. It goes all the way to the floor, but I love this beautiful lilac blue color or lilac purple. It looks just so nice, and it would be the perfect color for springtime. It looks stunning, so I'm like super into it and I like it a lot. However, I feel like it's gonna look like, I usually like wearing clothes that are like boho inspired, very like cool and flowy and everything, but there's a difference between being boho and an item of clothing looking like a trash bag on you. This does not feel like a trash bag. It feels extremely good quality. I'm not entirely sure if it's gonna give me very much shape, if you know what I mean. So, but however, it looks very cute and the color is great. Okay, well, here is the next item, and the color is very nice, you guys. The color is great. I just don't think that it's meant for me. It's not my favorite thing. Again, it's very long. It's very, not boxy, but it's just a lot. I tilt the camera down so you can see. It is a jumpsuit. So it has like leg holes, but it's just a lot. It's like kind of like harem pants, except it's a jumpsuit. So I love the color. I think the color is really nice, but just overall, I don't think this one's for me. And last but certainly not least, I'm actually super freaking excited about this item because it just looks so freaking cute. This is a dress, if I can find the front, because again, very flowy and kind of hard to maneuver. And again, I loved this like periwinkle lilac purple, blue. It just looks so pretty to me, and I'm very excited to try this on because look at that. It looks like a butterfly. I don't know, but it is a midi length dress, so it goes down to about your mid-thigh. So if you are a little bit shorter, then it would probably hit you maybe at the knee or slightly above the knee. If you're a little bit taller, then it may come up to like mid-thigh up to your like your higher up thigh. So, but it still is very, very cute nonetheless. It's got these two little drawstrings on either side like this, so you can tie it up around your neck. But yeah, it's very, very cute, very flowy, and I cannot wait to wear this for like summer and spring. It's just gonna look so nice. So I'm really into it, and yeah, I love that. All right, you guys, and here is that final dress. I love this so much. Like, I'm so into it. It is such a pretty color. It's such a pretty dress. I love the sleeves. It's very like ethereal looking, and I love the sleeves. Again, I love the shape of this. It is down to like my mid-thigh, so it's definitely long enough for me. I'll just scooch you down a little bit. Here we go. So it's like my mid-thigh area, so it's definitely long enough for me to wear as a dress, and I think it's so cute. I may actually wear this one for Easter because it just looks darling. So yeah, oh my god. It's like I want to fly away. So I love this. I'm so into it, and yeah, this was the last thing. I really hope that you enjoyed it. So now let's go back down to past Kenzie and we'll close out this video. Well, you guys, that has been my Free People haul. I really hope that you did enjoy it. We had a lot of winners, but we also had a few that were a little bit but if you are like excited about any of these items, I will have all of the links linked in the description for you guys to look at. If you like something that I tried on, then they'll be down there. But let me know what your favorite item is that I did try on, because I am very curious. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there, and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!